Pragnadeepa Learning Center.
Next one. So next, fourth question. Really? Fourth question. The roots of the equation root 3x square minus 2x minus root 3 is equal to 0. They have given some options. So the first option is root 3 comma minus 1 by root 3. Option B is 1 comma minus 1 by 2. Option C is root 3 comma minus 1. Option D is 1 by root 3 comma minus 1. 1 by root 3 comma minus 1. So you have one MCQ question now. So the roots of the quadratic equation. So you need to find the roots of the quadratic equation. This one. This is the quadratic equation. Okay. Here matarta idira Panchami skanda. So you need to find roots of this quadratic equation. So either you can use splitting the middle term method or quadratic formula method. So formula method use madbodu. So if I use the formula method, the value of A is root 3 here, value of B is minus 2 here, value of C is minus root 3. Alva. So x will be equal to minus B plus or minus square root of B square minus 4AC divided by 2A. So in barata answer, so minus of minus 2 plus or minus square root of B square. B square means minus 2 whole square minus 4AC. 4, the value of A is root 3, value of C is minus root 3, 4AC divided by 2A, that means 2 root 3. Right? So you will get minus 2 plus minus 2, minus of minus 2 means plus 2. So 2 plus or minus square root of minus 2 whole square means plus 4. Minus into minus become plus. Root 3 into root 3 will be 3. 3 into 4 will be 12. So divided by 2 root 3. So you are left out with 2 plus or minus 12 plus 4 is a 16 divided by 2 root 3. 2 root 3. So 2 plus or minus root 16 will be 4. Okay. So plus or minus 4 actually. So already plus or minus 4 barita idane. Okay. Divided by 2 root 3. So this simplifies to n simplify agata. Hege barkotira idana. 2 plus or minus 4 by 2 root 3. 2 by 2 root 3 plus or minus 4 by 2 root 3. Alva. So this reduces to 1 by root 3 plus or minus 2 by root 3. Oh, add madbodittalva idana. Okay. So ille direct add madbodana. So you will get two roots. First one is 2 plus 4 divided by 2 root 3. Right? 2 plus 4 divided by 2 root 3. So it becomes 6 by root 3. 6 by 2 root 3. Which will be equal to 3 by root 3 alva. So 2 ones are 2 3s are 3 by root 3. So 3 by root 3 na matte simplify madbodu. Hege? So na next idral martini. Okay. Namak bandira answer eno 2 plus or minus 4 by 2 root 3. So first root enagutta 2 plus 4 divided by 2 root 3. That means 6 by 2 root 3, which will be equal to 3 by root 3. So 3 can be written as root 3 into root 3. So root 3 gets cancels. You are left out with only root 3. So one of the root is root 3. One of the root is root 3. So second root is 2 minus 4 divided by 2 root 3. So which will be equal to minus 2 divided by 2 root 3. So 2 gets cancels. You are left out with minus 1 by root 3. Therefore, the two roots are plus root 3 and minus 1 by root 3. Okay. So ಎರಡು roots ಬಂದಿದೆ. ಒಂದು plus root 3, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು minus 1 by root 3. That means the correct option is A, root 3 comma minus 1 by root 3. Option A is the right answer. Root 3 comma minus 1 by root 3. Next slide. First slide ಬರಿಬೇಕಾ? Done? ಮುಗ್ದಿದೆಯಾ ಇದು? Okay, next question. So next is fifth question, right? Fifth question. Yes, Bhuvan, can you read the fifth question? Bhuvan?
Yes, sir. Find the sum and product of the roots of quadratic equation 2x square minus 9x plus 4 equals 0.
Okay, good. Find the sum and product of the roots. Find the sum and product of the roots. So the quadratic equation is 2x square minus 9x plus 4 is equal to 0. So you need to find sum and product of the roots of this quadratic equation. So roots find out ಮಾಡಿ ಅದರದ್ದು sum ಮತ್ತೆ product ನ find out ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Right? So ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? So you can first use the formula method to calculate the roots of this quadratic equation. Then you can find the sum of those two roots and product of those two roots. Find out ಮಾಡಬಹುದು ಆ ತರ. Okay? So ಹಾಗೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೊಂದು ಐಡೆಂಟಿಟಿ ಕೂಡ ಗೊತ್ತೆ, ಸಾರಿ ಐಡೆಂಟಿಟಿ ಅಲ್ಲ. So formation of quadratic equation ಗೊತ್ತಿತ್ತಲ್ವಾ? So formation of quadratic equation ಹೇಗಿರುತ್ತೆ? x square minus sum of the roots into x plus ಏನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಟರ್ಮ್? Formation of quadratic equation, quadratic polynomial ಅಥವಾ formation of quadratic polynomial ಓದಿದ್ರಲ್ವಾ ಇದು? Formation ಇದು ಓದಿಲ್ವಾ ಇದು? x square minus sum of roots plus product of roots. ಓದಿದಿರಲ್ವಾ ಇದು? ಸೊ ಇದು ಫಾರ್ಮೇಶನ್ ಆಫ್ ಕ್ವಾಡ್ರಾಟಿಕ್ ಈಕ್ವೇಶನ್. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ಇದನ್ನ. ಸೊ ಇಫ್ ಇನ್ ಕೇಸ್ ಈ 2 ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ನನಗೆ ಈಸಿ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತು. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಸಮ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಈಸಿಯಾಗಿ ಸಿಗ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತು. ಬಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೋಎಫಿಷಿಯಂಟ್ 1 ಇದೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಇದನ್ನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ನಾನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ. ಸೊ ನಾನು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ? ಸೊ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಯೂಸ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಮೆಥಡ್. So first to find the roots, I will use formula method. So in this quadratic equation, the value of a is the value of a 2. The value of b is minus 9. The value of c is 4. Okay, so therefore x will be equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. So that means minus of minus 9 plus or minus square root of b square. That means minus 9 square. Minus 9 square will be plus 81 minus 4ac. 4 into 2 into 4 divided by 2a. 2 into 2. So which will be equal to minus into minus 9. Minus of minus 9 will be plus 9. Minus into minus becomes plus. Plus or minus root 81 plus, sorry, minus alva, minus 4 4 the 16, 16 2 the 32 divided by 4. 81 minus 32 will be 50, 49. Square root of 49. 49 barata? Okay. Divided by 4. Divided by 4. So therefore, the value of x is equal to 9 plus or minus root 49 means 7 divided by 4. So therefore, the first root is x is equal to 9 plus 7 divided by 4. 9 plus 7 will be
4.
16 by 4, you will get 4. Good. So the second one is x is equal to 9 minus 7 by 4.
1 by 2, sir.
1 by 2. So 9 minus 7 will be 2. 2 by 4, which will be equal to 1 by 2. Okay. So now let us find out sum of the roots. So we have two roots, right? 4 and 1 by 2 are the roots of the polynomial. Therefore, 4 and 1 by 2 are the roots of, so the given polynomial 2x square minus 9x plus 6 plus 4 is equal to 0. These are the roots. Okay. So therefore, sum of roots will be equal to, sum of roots will be equal to, ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ 4 plus 1 by 2. 4 plus 1 by 2. So 4 2s are 8. 8 plus 1 is 9.
Sir, 9 by 2, sir.
9 by 2. So next, product of roots. Product of roots. Product of roots
Sir,
will be
2,
equal
sir.
to 4 into 1 by 2, which will be equal to 2.
Sir.
So previous illu kuda hage ಮಾಡಬಹುದಿತ್ತು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬಹುದಿತ್ತು ನೀವು? So 2x square. So ಅವಾಗಲೇ ಒಂದು ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಕ್ವಾಡ್ರಾಟಿಕ್ ಈಕ್ವೇಷನ್ ಹೇಳಿದೆ ನೋಡಿ. ಸೊ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಗಿರ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತು, ಕೋಎಫಿಷಿಯಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ x square is 1. So coefficient of x square ನ 1 ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? Throughout the equation you need to divide it by 2. So if you divide throughout the equation by 2, you will get x square minus 9 by 2x plus 4 by 2 means 2. Right? 4 by 2 ಅಂದ್ರೆ 2 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. So observe here, x square minus sum of the roots into x plus product of the roots. So sum of the roots is 9 by 2, product of the roots is 2. This is sum of roots. This is product of the roots. Okay. So ನಿಮಗೆ ಏನು ಗೊತ್ತಿರಬೇಕು ಹಾಗಿದ್ರೆ, formation of quadratic equation ಅಲ್ಲಿ coefficient of x square must be 1. Coefficient of x square 1 ಆಗಿರಬೇಕು. So ಅವಾಗ ಮಾತ್ರ ನಿಮಗೆ sum of the roots ಮತ್ತೆ product of the roots ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. Okay. So within one step ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. So ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ, so you need to first find the roots and then you need to add them and then you need to multiply them. Clear? Clear online students?
Sir.
Both the methods. ಎರಡು methods clear ಆಗಿದೆಯಾ? Yes, Sandhavi, any doubts?
Sir, we can use the sum of roots is minus b by a and the product of roots is c by a. We can use that, no, sir?
ಹೌದು
you
ಸರ್,
can
ಆಲ್ಫಾ
also-
ಬೀಟಾ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು.
You can also that method also. Sum of the roots is equal to minus b by a. Product of the roots is equal to c by a. Good. So three methods. So ಯಾವ್ದಾದ್ರೂ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. Okay. Sum of the roots is equal to minus b by a. So here b is minus of minus b, that means plus 9 agate, 9 by 2. Product of the roots is equal to c by a. 4 by 2 means 2. So hagire worst method andre idene ನಾನು ಮಾಡಿರೋದೇನೆ, ಯಾಕೆಂದ್ರೆ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ದೊಡ್ಡದಾಗಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ. ಸೊ ಈಸಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಇದು ಕೂಡ ಈಸಿ, ಫಾರ್ಮೇಶನ್ ಆಫ್ ಕ್ವಾಡ್ರಾಟಿಕ್ ಈಕ್ವೇಶನ್ ಅಥವಾ ಸಮ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ರೂಟ್ಸ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ರೂಟ್ಸ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ. ಸೊ 2x square minus 9x plus 4 is equal to 0. So sum of roots is equal to minus b by a. So therefore minus of minus 9 divided by 2. So 9 by 2. Product of roots is equal to c by a, which will be equal to 4 by 2, which will be equal to 2. Okay. So you have three methods. So adರಲ್ಲಿ which it is the best method. Okay, ಇದೆ best ನಿಮಗೆ. Sum of the roots is equal to minus b by a. Product of the roots is equal to c by a. Clear? Clear? Sanghavi, Swara, Sachin, Priya, Bhuvan, Bharat, Avanish.
Yes, sir.
Clear agidya?
Yes, sir.
Good. Next question. Next is solve for sixth one. Sixth one, solve for x. Solve for x. So they have given equation like this: 1 by x minus 2, 1 by x minus 2 plus 2 by x minus 1, 2 by x minus 1, which will be equal to 6 by x, which will be equal to 6 by x, where x is not equal to 0, 1 and 2, where x is not equal to 0, 1 and 2. So ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, x is equal to 0 ಆದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ denominator 0 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, not defined. X is equal to 1 ಆದ್ರೆ 1 minus 1 is equal to 0, not defined. 2 by 0 is not defined. X is equal to 2 ಆದ್ರೆ 2 minus 2 is equal to 0, 1 by 0 is not defined. So that's why x is not equal to 0, 1 and 2. ಬೇರೆ ಯಾವುದೇ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಆದ್ರೂ ಆಗಿರಬಹುದು. Okay, except these numbers 0, 1 and 2, x value ಈ ತರನೇ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ನಿಮಗೆ. Okay, so first to solve for x, that means to find the value of x, first we need to convert this equation into quadratic equation. Convert ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. Okay, so whenever you have sum of two numbers, like rational numbers na add ಮಾಡೋ ರೀತಿ, fractions na add ಮಾಡೋ ರೀತಿ, so you need to go for LCM method or cross multiplication method. ಅಲ್ವಾ, cross multiply ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋತೀರಾ. ಹೇಗೆ? So x minus 1 is multiplied with 1, x minus 2 is multiplied with 2, and then x minus 2 into x minus 1. Cross multiplication. Okay, so x minus 1 plus 2 into x minus 2 divided by x minus 2 into x minus 1. So just like ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಈ ತರ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರಿ ಅಲ್ವಾ, 1 by 2 plus 3 by 4 means 4 into 1 is 4, 2 into 3 is a 6, divided by 2 4s are 8, like that. Okay, ಆ ರೀತಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ಇಲ್ಲೂ ಕೂಡ. So which will be equal to 6 by x, which will be equal to 6 by x. So now first let us simplify the numerator. So if I simplify the numerator, I will get x minus 1 plus 2 into x is a 2x, plus into minus is minus 2 into 2 is 4. Okay, divided by, if I simplify the denominator, x into x is a x square, x into x is x square, x into minus 1 is minus x, minus 2 into x is minus 2x, minus 2 into minus 1 is plus 2. Okay, which will be equal to 6 by x. 6 by x. Okay, so now if you simplify further, if you simplify the numerator, you will get 3x minus 5 divided by x square minus 3x plus 2 is equal to 6 by x. Okay. So now if you further simplify this equation, this x is multiplied with a numerator. This quadratic equation is multiplied with 6. So we will get x into 3x minus 5, which will be equal to 6 into x square minus 3x plus 2. Okay. So further I will get x into 3x minus 5 means 3x square minus 5x. 3x square minus 5x, which will be equal to 6 into this polynomial means 6x square. 6x square minus 6 into 3 is 18. Therefore 18x. Next 6 into plus 2 is plus 12. So you have a quadratic. So to write this in a standard form it becomes 6x square minus 3x square. I am taking LHS to the right hand side. LHS ni ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀನಿ RHS ಗೆ shift ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾ ಇದೀನಿ. Okay. 6x square minus 3x square minus 18x plus 5x plus 12 is equal to 0. Okay. 6x square minus 3x square means 3x square minus 18x plus 5x will be minus
Sir, minus 13, sir.
minus 13x plus 12 is equal to 0. Okay. So now you need to factorize this polynomial, quadratic polynomial, or you need to find the roots. You can use formula method. So formula method use ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ, factorization ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ. So factorization easy ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ನಿಮಗೆ. Formula method use ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ you have 13 square. So ಅದನ್ನು use ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. So 13 square 169 ಅದೇನು ದೊಡ್ಡ ನಂಬರ್ ಅಲ್ಲ. So easy ಆಗಿ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು formula method ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ. So factorization use ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ you need to find 12 3s are 36 means so multiply ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 36 ಬರಬೇಕು, add ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ minus 13 ಬರಬೇಕು. ಯಾವುದು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಈ ತರ multiply ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 36, add ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ minus 13. Minus 9 and 4, right? So minus 9 into, I can split this minus 13x into minus 9x minus 4x. So minus 9 minus 4 is minus 13, minus 9 into minus 4 is plus 36. So plus 12 is equal to 0. So in first two terms I have 3x common, I am left out with x minus 3. Next, if I take out minus 4 common, I am left out with x minus 3. So throughout the equation, if I take out x minus 3 common, I am left out with 3x minus 4. So if product of two terms is equal to 0, either the first term is 0 or the second term is 0. So that means x is equal to 3 or x is equal to 4 by 3. X is equal to 3 or x is equal to 4 by 3. Or x is equal to 4 by 3. Okay, so first you need to convert this equation into quadratic equation. If you solve that quadratic equation, you will get the value of x. So in this problem, the value of x is 3 or x is equal to 4 by 3. Clear? So ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಿದ್ಯಾ? Clear online students?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Good.
Yes, sir.
Next one.
Sir, 1 minute.
Okay. Done, Sachin?
The 1 minute.
Yes, sir.